So the fact is that saying yes to everything and everybody in your life is gonna drain you emotionally, physically, and mentally. So this is a proof thing. Many people used to tell me that don't do anything for free for like everybody. Like if someone is really very special to you, then you may do some free work for them. And here free work refers to making free sketches. Okay, so when I was in my early teens, like 16 17 years old, I used to draw free sketches of everybody who used to ask me, like when someone would ask me that you are very good at drawing, could you please draw something for me, like even for project work, for someone's birthday gift, I wouldn't say no. Like I used to feel obliged to do that work for someone whom I didn't even know. And that would drain me because I would spend like hours preparing for painting, for impressing someone whom I didn't even know. So there was a relative of mine who saw this thing and said that learn to say no. So there was a close family friend of mine on Facebook. Okay, I didn't even know her. So she asked me to draw her a free portrait. I was like, okay. So I asked that relative that may I do it. He said that no, simply learn to say no. This is your first chance. Okay, so I was kind of mentally disturbed because never in my life I had said no for a free sketch. So I said that no, I couldn't draw it. Okay, she blocked me instantly, and that would hurt me because I feel like I disrespected her or said no to somebody, made her unhappy. So there was I don't know what is that perfect word for such a situation, but that didn't feel nice. And soon after watching many videos and tutorials on YouTube, I realized that I was a people pleaser. Okay, I no one would accept this thing that they are people pleasers, or at certain age they were people pleaser, but I accept that I was a people pleaser who used to care about people that I didn't even know. People would people would use me and walk all over me, and I was there drained, getting nothing in return. So money, time, power, everything is priceless. Okay, and don't waste it on random people who don't understand your worth. So I wish I would have realized this thing in my early ages, and if yes, I wouldn't have wasted so much of my energy and resources on pleasing people. Cause the fact is that God gives you some certain things in the age where you have capacity to hold them. Like God wouldn't ever give you things that you don't have capacity to hold on. Like when the condition was that I didn't have so much followers, and when I learned to say no, there were many followers, many offers God gave to me, because the God knew that now Kushi has learned to say no. And even if the people ask for her to do free task, she won't say yes. So but there is another side to this fact. Like every coin has two faces, two sides. This fact also has two sides. Like the time when I used to do free work for people, I used to get pleasure in doing so, in making people happy. And if the person wouldn't give me anything, but still God used to give me satisfaction, peace, happiness, and the thing that I wanted. So the fact is that even if you do free work for someone in making them happy, genuinely happy, not like that they asked you for free painting and you work for them and they weren't pleased, like even on that stage you will get happiness or something in return, because according to the karmic law you receive how much of you give. So the time when I used to give people my time, energy, someone would also give me time, energy at that time. but still there, I don't know what to say. I need to analyze this thing deeply one day. I mean, I will analyze this thing deeply one day, and then I'll get a conclusion and then tell you. But still, the thing is that you need to learn to say no to certain things, certain actions that are taking place in your life, cause one day that gonna train you